Okay, so this is Freddy the Fig, my first fig, and I've had. Okay, so we're going to be rejuvenating, hopefully, this black mission. So we're going to cut it down a lot to the bottom. A lot of these little guys are going to be gone. And the good news is, I see a lot of green in the cambium layer, like this, starting to wake up. But unfortunately, this guy's not going to be one of the ones that we're keeping. So let's get down here, cut these. And some of these, because I'm not cutting them right down to the main trunk at this point, may even come back. And now we'll have to give it another prune. All right, so here he is 2 months later. Today is June 2nd. Got a whole lot of growth on him. And actually what I'm going to do is thin out some of this growth just so we get some sun into the center of the plant. But it's come back nice and strong, so we'll see. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. And if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe buttons, just to let me know that somebody's watching these videos. Okay? Thanks again. Bye.